Hello kids, today we learn English number. Color pen name blue color, silver color, brown color, pink color, green color, light green color, brown color and golden color. Orange color one, light green color two, sky blue color three, red color four, yellow color five, blue color six, orange color seven, light green color eight, sky blue color nine, red color 10,